Alright, here we go, guys. We're gonna try python in a snake cafe in Japan. We're surrounded by snakes and we're about to eat a snake. Alright, God help us all. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Osaka here in Japan. We're traveling what just happened there? We're here in Japan today in Osaka, in the big city of Osaka. We're actually exploring an area called the American Village. This place is like a super hip part of town that's like gangster rap music playing everywhere and cool trendy shops in every corner. And we're essentially heading off to a place called the Snake Cafe, which like in Asia, there's a lot of things like animal cafes, like dog cafes, cat cafes, meerkat cafes, owl cafes. There's actually a snake cafe. So that's what we're heading off to right now, to go explore that here in this area. And maybe play with some snakes while we eat some food. Could be fun. Could be scary. Let's go see what happens. Alright guys, this is a sign for it. Well, here's a bunch of snakes that I think they have in there. So it's 1,000 yen to go in. There's no time limit. You can take photos and touch the snake. There's Wi-Fi. There we go, Snake Cafe. Let's go up. 4th floor. What an elevator.
Figured you might be able to tell us what's behind the mystery of this map.
As long as the map is in your possession, you are in grave danger.
Well, they're not getting my map.
Where arrived from?
Miami.
Miami.
Yeah.
Very far from. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're in the Snake Cafe right now. We're just surrounded with snakes. There's snakes everywhere. Essentially, there's signs on each cage that says which ones you can pet, which you can't. Here's the deal. I just brought us a menu. This is the survival menu that we were talking about outside. And on it, they have a steak of pythons. Steak of pythons?
Yes, yes.
Like snake?
Good say. Python.
How messed up is it to eat a snake while being around a bunch of snakes? In Miami, we have python. Okay, so can we have one steak of python?
で、これセットドリンク。これサービスドリンク。ジュース。で、want to touch this とかね。こういう。can touch.
It's okay.
ジュース。
Okay. Oh my god, it's a green python. You can't touch. You can't touch. See, those are the ones that say you can touch or you can't touch. And then you have to call the staff over for them to get it for you so you can touch it. And you get a chance of having salmonella before you eat. That's good. That's always good. Damn, that is a big snake. You can't touch it, danger. It's a blood python. Is it pronounced python or python? Python? I guess everybody says it differently. I definitely am not one of those people that have a problem with snakes. I really like snakes. You too, right? Yeah, I like snakes. Snakes are cool. Can we touch this guy?
Pretty. You want me to go?
Yeah. One hand, okay. And then one hand like this.
All support.
All support, yeah.
で、手はね、
Like that. Oh.
all support. No bite.
Wow. No bite?
No bite.
It's a good snake.
The face touch okay. No bite.
Wow, what a cute snake.
Albino checker gata snake.
It's albino, so it has like red, bright eyes. Can you see it well? I heard it's like a really dangerous thing to touch a snake's face, but these are obviously not venomous, so they can't really hurt you. I think these are the type of snakes that like feed on like mice and stuff. This is once again one of those like only in Japan type things. You're not gonna find this anywhere else. All right, guys, Moshe got a corn snake brought out to him. Wow, look at this guy. He's all beautifully colored. Yep. Friend?
Tomodachi.
Ooh, he doesn't know what to do with your hair right now. He's like, what is this? Where did you guys put me? I'm surprised you didn't freak out at all.
Me? No, I like snakes a lot.
There's people who would have a snake on the... Wow, he's looking at your ear like it's a tasty treat right now. It just came out of your ear. This snake just popped out of Moshe's head. Guys, look at that. Moshe, this is one of the most amazing things I've ever seen in my life. Okay, we got a snake living on the camera now. Arigato. This is a snake removal out of someone's head.
Nice.
Hey, bud.
もうこの
You want me to take out
ス
the
ネ
cuckoo?
スネークハウス
Snake house.
スネークハウス OK
All right. There we go. All right. Dude, are you a little nervous to try Python?
Not really.
You're not nervous?
No, I feel like it's gonna be like a weird, squishy meat,
Ooh.
maybe.
Well, I don't know if it would be squishy because it's a muscly animal. There's a lot of muscle there. So I don't know.
That's true, but like, would you feel it? I don't know.
Is this the python? Wow.
Yo.
Look at that. So $30 for this tiny little thing of python meat. Alright, here we go, guys. We're gonna try python in a snake cafe in Japan. We're surrounded by snakes and we're about to eat a snake. So we got some python meat. I presume this is some type of soy sauce mix with sesame. Alright, God help us all. Here we go. It's very tough. Wow. I don't know how to explain that one. It kind of tastes like the type of like orange chicken you get at the mall food court in America. It's super tough, like super tough meat. Like what I expected, muscly. It's very muscly, but most of the flavor is unlike anything I've ever had. It's not similar to alligator. It's not similar to chicken. It's not similar to beef or anything really, or rabbit or what in the world? Oh, it's a snake. All right, boom, guys. We just finished the snake. Interesting experience. Definitely don't think it's worth $30, especially not for how tiny it is. I'm happy I got to try it. I was telling Moshe, I was like, I could have tried it in the Philippines, in the jungle somewhere, because I know that they sometimes do that. And it would have been way cheaper. But then again, you don't know where that snake came from or how it's killed, whatever, if it's prepared safely. I know that here is probably prepared really safely, really cleanly. But yeah, that was it. That was trying snake at a snake cafe. Very interesting. So now we're going to probably get another snake sent to us so we can play around with it a little bit. Guys, we're going to touch a green python. Look at that snake.
One hand OK
One hand? Okay.
One finger で don't grip
No grip. Okay. So.
で腕を伸ばすホールディング
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
It's a really pretty snake, but it's terrifying. See, now this one is scary. This one, the color is scary. Moshe, I'm assuming you don't want to touch this one?
I don't mind, but he looks like he's gonna bite. Like his teeth are out.
Yeah. His teeth are out? I want to make it clear, I just ate this animal, a python. Look at my pinky, zoom in on my pinky. It's crazy. Should we see what he does next to the camera? What do you think of the camera, bud? Look at this animal, guys. It's nuts. So crazy. It's been a real long time since I've held a snake. Especially something like, for me, like these bright colors, because we have pythons back home in Florida, but they're all like brown colored and really boring. To see one like this bright green and like, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It just holds all his body weight just like that.
That's it. It's done.
Recording?
It's in slow-mo.
Put it on regular. So one of the employees told me in the cafe that for 3 months there was a period where this guy was biting every single day, but now he doesn't bite anymore. He's calmed down. Oh my god, he's coming so close to my head. So it's really reassuring to know that this guy got all his biting out. He's not biting anymore, which is nice. But he's also wrapped. My finger has been coiled. My finger is completely blue right now. There's nothing left of my pinky. Hi, Moshe.
Got my pen.
How do you keep ending up with snakes on your neck?
They love it, man. This one's gonna go on my hair soon. Watch.
Oh my god. Oh, he's going back in. He doesn't like it. Alright guys, we're going through a little bit of a snake transfer right now. Moshe's hair is snake house, and my body is snake house. I don't know where he is. God, that feels very strange.
You're telling me, man. This hurts my head.
Oh, yeah, he's in my hair. He's in both of our hairs right now.
And I'm kind of stuck because he's not getting out.
Went in a snake cafe in Japan, am I right?
He coiled around your bun.
Did he really? Can you film it? He's coiled around my bun?
Yeah.
As if my bun is like a little tree
It
stump.
looks really funny.
Guys, check it out. There's a yellow anaconda here. That is the biggest snake in the whole world. That's the species of that snake. And they're actually kind of dangerous in South America. I know that they kill people. Pretty cool, they live in the water. This is kind of like the snake section that you don't touch. And there's a giant blood python. It's huge. Arigato. Alright guys, we have just exited the snake cafe. 6,400 yen later. That was 64 bucks for that experience. So now, split between two people, comes out to about 32,000 yen a person, which is just around 30 bucks. They did give us these cool membership cards. I think the way it works is that the first time you enter is 1,000, and then every time after it gets cheaper or something like that. They have like a membership. This is what I'll say. Is it worth the money? It's cool, for sure. It's a cool experience, but just think about the price of like, to get from here to Nara and back only cost us 15 bucks. To get from Tokyo to Enoshima and back only cost us 15 bucks. So as a little experience, I don't know if it's so much worth it, but we also did buy the snake to eat, which was $30 by itself. So, you know, I don't know. It was cool. I'm not complaining by any means. I'm super happy we did it. It was fun. But just keep that in mind if you're coming here planning on doing exactly what we did. But here you go, you got the Snake Cafe in the American Village here in Osaka. That's gonna be the end of this video. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. So we're gonna head back in this video to some Japanese rap music. So we're gonna head back in this video to the Air Osaka Hostel that are hosting us up and give you guys a full tour of the hostel because we haven't done that yet. So we're gonna jump over there right now, but we're actually gonna continue our day out here. So that's gonna continue later. So see you in a minute in the hostel. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Air Osaka Hostel. We're gonna give you guys a short little hostel tour here. Quick and catch 'em. This is a reception to this awesome hostel. Now this hostel hasn't been open long, and it's pretty small, but really, really cool. It has a very homey vibe. Over here we got an awesome kitchen and a chill out area, and they actually have musical instruments that you can play, and they're all tuned, like pretty much perfectly, which is so cool. And you can just grab an instrument and play pretty much. So it's fantastic. Just right after that chill out room we have the kitchen, with full-on, you know, availability to cook whatever you need, which is awesome. We got a fridge too to be able to store all your stuff. If we walk right past that, we actually have another kind of chill-out room, but dining area. This place actually doubles up as a crepe house too. I don't know if that's a proper term, a crepier. It's where they make crepes, so they'll make crepes for you. Yeah, there's really cool decor. It's super chilled out. There's always nice music playing, and there's just a really nice vibe here. Right beside that, you have the shower room, where you can go and take a shower. It's beautiful. There's 2 showers here. Once again, not a lot of people staying, so it's really nice. There's not like any lines for a bathroom or shower. It's always pretty fluid. If we continue down a little bit, we have our accommodation, and that's just 4 bunk beds in our room. Super nice, super chill, super relaxed. And that'll be it for the Air Osaka Hostel tour. That's our hostel. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'm gonna go to sleep. See you in the next one. Don't forget to check out the Air Osaka Hostel down in the description below. Make sure you stay with them if you come to Osaka. Send them some love for hosting us. You can also check out the travelandclatt.com if you want to buy yourself some merchandise. Maybe you want to get a shirt just like this. Support this channel. Subscribe, turn on those notifications if you're new here. Your Japanese word of the day today is going to be hebi, which means snake. And we'll see you then. Goodbye, Clatts. I love you a long time.